Now, your StormTracker Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parish.
Welcome back, everyone. What a beautiful sunset we have right now on our live tower cam looking to the south and west. It looks like something out of northern Alaska or the Scandinavian countries with the snow on the ground and like a pink and purple sunset out there right now. Temperatures are in the 20s, 29 right down Baton Rouge, dew point is 17. It feels like 23 because the north wind at 6. And with this clearing skies, we're going to see the temperature really start to plummet as we go through the evening hours. Right now we're looking at readings in the 20s everywhere across our area with the snowpack on the ground. Winds are generally around 20 miles per hour, gusting at times up to 25 miles an hour. Down in Morgan City, gusting up to 28. And of course, when you factor in the wind with the temperature, we're looking at wind chills in the teens right now up to the north, 20s elsewhere. And those are just going to continue to drop. By 10 o'clock tonight, it's going to feel like 0 and -2 up in Liberty, -1 in Kentwood. And then as we go into the morning hours, it's going to feel even colder with wind chills around -7 here in the city, -11 in Denham Springs, -12 in Gonzales. With all the snow on the ground, it's definitely going to feel like northern Alaska out there. Wind chills are going to improve as we go through the day, around 30 degrees at around lunchtime. The winter storm warning is still in effect for some of our parishes, Iberville Parish, Assumption, and Ascension parishes, and over towards New Orleans. As you can see, the winter storm warnings extend all the way to the Carolinas and deep into Florida, which is unusual. And of course, we have the extreme cold warning in effect for our entire area tonight. So definitely stay in if you can all do so. Here's a look at the live radar. You can see that the snow is now moving out of New Orleans, starting to let up there. Still snowing though in Gulfport and over in towards Pascagoula, and also still snowing down in Port Sulphur all the way down to the tail end of the Mississippi River. This has definitely been a historic event. And look at these historic snowfall amounts. 9.6 in Thibodaux, 8.8 in Napoleonville, 6.5 very common across the city here in Baton Rouge, 4 inches up in Woodville, and then even 3 inches up in Macomb. So everyone got some snow today. Wider view shows the snow now starting to move off towards the east with this historic storm moving now through Florida, causing quite a bit of problems there. Temperatures tonight are going to drop down into the teens. The record is 19, so we're definitely going to beat that record with a stick. 12 degrees overnight, 10 in New Roads and in Gross Tate. And then as we look into tomorrow afternoon, temperatures recovering into the 30s. And we're going to see some melting, but it's not going to last that long because temperatures are going to drop right back down into the 20s by Thursday morning, and even some teens showing up as well. And then Thursday afternoon, we finally get above freezing into the 40s, but northerly winds with still some snow on the ground. It's definitely going to still feel like winter out there. Finally, on Friday, we get up to 48. 55 on Saturday, and then our lows become above freezing by Sunday, and then 70s with some rain into the early part of next week. All right, that's a look at the forecast. Let's find out what's going on later on tonight on News Nation.